this is a little video of us leaving the marina and finally becoming CCers again, and giving up the luxury of.
Yeah, for the last 7 months, we've had water on tap, which is where you normally do get water from. Electricity, the car. Whenever we needed anything, it was just in the car down to Sainsbury's.
And the people.
The neighbours that we'd made friends with. So we was now about to give all that up. Well, this is the last time we have the luxury of doing the shopping in the car. The car's going tomorrow, and it'll be back to the shopping trolley and long walks. Yeah, this is quite a strange one. The dog walk field. Or my dog walk field for the last 7 months, and now today's the day we leave Aqueduct Marina, never to come back here again. Well, I say never. If we cruise through here in the next 3 or 4 years, we'll visit, but this has been home. Strange feeling. What we doing, Deborah?
We're leaving.
Yes, so got butterflies, can't believe it, sort of. Weird, very weird.
7 months, and we're now
7 months here.
We're off.
Yeah, so now going to go over to the berth where you fuel up. Not that I don't think we've probably only used 30 litres since we've been here. Fuel up. One bag of coal just in case it turns cold.
Yeah.
And that's it. Yeah, and see you on the way.
Yeah.
See if I can remember what does what. Got a boat in front now going out, and looks like they're going the same way as us. So waited 7 months to be stuck in a traffic jam. Right, out in one.
It's been lovely.
See ya, Charlie. We will.
Lovely.
Yeah.
Bye, Charlie.
We will. Yeah. Social media. See you, Jenny.
Take care.
Oh, I said farewell to you.
Yeah, them lovely, lovely people. Bit sad.
I'm cool. I find nothing sad. You alright? Deb's got a bout of hay fever. Yeah, so it's a bank holiday weekend. We've cruised this section before down to Middlewich, so we're not going to do too much filming. And just try and find a nice mooring. I think everybody's going to be out this weekend, so it's not going to be peaceful, but as per usual, no doubt we'll meet some nice people and have some fun.
Yeah, so as you can see, there was a cacophony of emotions going on.
Cacophony? That's what they buried the pharaoh in.
That's cacophony.
Yeah, well, whatever that was.
A lot of mixed emotions.
Yes, yeah.
Yeah, it took me by surprise, actually.
No more big words.
No. It did take me by surprise. I weren't expecting to feel as emotional as I did, but obviously it's the way it is.
But we'd spent 7 months with these people, and any time you spend with anybody, you make bonds. You know, you become friends, and through.
Yeah, and goodbyes are bad enough anyway. But with these special people, that they became special. They made our time at the marina a lot more comfortable, and just it was just just very special.
An emotional crutch for us through those times. So
yeah, it was lovely. Yeah, so we just want to say a big thank you to those people. They know who they are, and they know how special they are to us, and we miss you dreadfully. But we're having a fun time.
Yeah, and it's surprising just how quick we fell back into the constant cruiser lifestyle.
Yeah.
You know, within a couple of nights of being out, you then realise we weren't just out for the weekend. This was it, and it's what we'd done for 2 years beforehand.
Yeah, 2.5 years. Yeah, it has been. It's been like it. We were never in a marina. It's weird, isn't it? You just fell straight back into it.
Oh, we've got a hire boat doing the famous block the canal. We'll just stop the boat here so they don't feel pressured. Yes, we had a little lane change there. It was easier for us to go the other side so they didn't have to struggle too much. Always nice to see nice unmown towpaths. Leaves all the natural wildflowers and weeds for the insects. Yeah, me personally, I prefer to see it like that. We have a pair of garden shears, so we can just chop down a 2-foot section just so we can get out of the bow or off the stern without stinging ourselves, and leave the rest to Mother Nature. And as if by magic, the cut and crew arrive. So there you've just seen the 2 different states of the towpath, the wildlife and the neatly trimmed version. Obviously you can't please all the people all the time. Walked along here, and this chap with the rope in his hand has just pulled the little calf out from mama. Amazing what you see. And there she's now licking the calf's nose. Absolutely beautiful. Yeah, so who'd have thought that? Walking along, morning dog walk, and there's a calf being born. I think I'll go for the vegetarian options today. So that is about it for this video. This was just a quick one, just to let you all know that we've now left the marina. We're out there. We're continuous cruisers again, which is obviously what we initially started out as, and how you obviously first met us and became interested in us. That sounds wrong. So if you enjoyed this little video,
press the like button.
So if you enjoyed this little video,
okay.
Take 8. So if you've enjoyed this little video,
press the like button.
If you haven't already subscribed,
press the subscribe button.
If you want future notifications of any videos we upload,
the bell icon.
And of course,
don't forget your comments. We love your comments.
And we shall see you all next time.
Yeah. Bye.